Hello and welcome everybody. This video is a short review of the Lenovo Thinkcentre M900. And I think this is a fun one because it's a very tiny model which can mount behind a screen. Now I'll post another video of that screen. Unfortunately, I didn't have the screen and the tiny PC at the same time, so I can't show you how you slide it in or you build it in. But it's pretty obvious. You slide it in and it connects in the back with the display port and the USB and the power. So it's pretty obvious. But I'll post the other video of the screen. When, I don't know. So what did you get in the box? Of course you get the keyboard again. It's the same as the other models from Lenovo. As you can see, it's the rugged one. Like I said, I love these ones. So let's put that aside. What else? Of course, the mouse, the typical Lenovo mouse, 2-button and the scroll. So you get a foot to mount the PC on it, to put it in on the right side. Yeah, it's for office use. If you don't have the screen to build in behind, you can set it in here and it will take up less space on the desk. You already saw I took away the antenna for the Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi, so you can choose Wi-Fi or the LAN connection, which I'll show you in the back later. Another front, I think there is an other model or another built-in support for something bigger. I don't know what. I will have to look it up. Okay, and then the the adapter for power. And you get some manuals here. Sorry, it's upside down. It's mostly for recycling. Okay, let's put that away. And then we are left with the device itself. As you can see, it's a tiny model, so it's very thin footprint. You get 2 USB in the front and a microphone connection and a headphone set connection, or your speakers if you want. So that's it in the front. It's a very small airflow in here, but as you can understand, the only thing inside is the CPU, memory and disk, and it's an M2 disk. So this one has no SSD disk inside, which I'll open in a minute. So at the back you get your power connector. I see a display port here. Again, USB ports, 4 at the back, 2 in the front. You get another display port, so you can connect 2 display screens if you want. And if I'm not mistaken, but correct me if I'm wrong, it's an HDMI also here. And of course, like I said, the choice to have your LAN connection or your Wi-Fi connected. What I forgot to mention, this is the Thinkcentre M900 model. It's around, in my country of course, around 860 euros. No tax included, sorry. Always without taxes. It's a tiny 1L. This one has a 3-year on-site. So if you can call Lenovo if something's wrong and they come on site to repair it. And this model has there are other models. This one has the i5 6500T, so it's the 6th generation. And the fun part is it has the Intel Q170 chipset. So that enables vPro. So this one models has vPro for remote support on administrative side for the administrators or something. This model comes with 8 GB of memory, and like I said, it's a 256 GB M2. There is no optical, so you can't have a CD drive. As you can see, there is no CD drive in the front. Then there is no card reader also, and the graphics is of course the Intel HD 530 like all the other models of Lenovo. It has support for wireless LAN, as I said before, and it comes with Windows 10 Pro. Now let's look inside. So let's turn the device. There's only just one screw that you have to loosen. That's it. And then it slides to the front, it was, I think. Let me just lift it up like that. And then you can lift it off. There we go. Now this is the fun part, It's very small, so you have your CPU here, and underneath this one is the memory and M2 slot. M.2 slot, sorry. So you have to remove this, but as you can see, there is place for an extra SSD disk if you want. So let's show you under here. Let's just remove this, and then it slides, let me see, to the front or the back. To the back, sorry. There we go. Be careful because it's connected to the Wi-Fi interface and such. So let me just see if I can lift it up. So as you can see here, there's the M2 disk and the memory slots. So underneath here is an extra slot to get into the memory, the extra memory. To 8 gigabytes, 16, I think it was support for 16. Again, not sure, it might be 32 if you put in two memory slots of 16 gigabytes. And the fun part, I was thinking, it has place for an extra SSD drive. Because the M2 slot is a little bit small, I think, but if you add a second disk, I think it's a very nice and very fast office PC for basic office applications, Word, Excel, CRM, maybe Navision. I think this will run perfectly on this one. Okay, so that's it. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, let me know and leave a comment on this video. Thank you for watching.